Don't lean on the wall. Game.
He promises eternal life. John 3:16. For God so loved the world that He gave His only begotten Son. How long do most people live? Some live to be 70 years old, some 80, a few even 100 years old. The greatest promise that only in the Bible is the one Jesus made on John 3:16. For God so loved the world, that means you and me, that He gave His only begotten Son. That's Jesus, that whosoever believes on Him should not perish, that means they will never die, but have everlasting life. If we love God, someday we live with Jesus in heaven forever. Angelo Albertatan, Ekasan Walking.
Yay! Dapat lagyan mo pa siya ng ano